Okay, so welcome back. So today we're going to do an example. So I'm going to go over a quick example of different angles. Okay, so again, this is more visual, and I'm going to go over naming things too. I'm going to point things out too. So a couple of things here. So the first one is a right angle. Okay, and it's denoted by this square. So right angles are what we call square angles. Right, in carpentry we call them square. Right, and so this is where we draw a square. So you can always see or denote a right angle by using this square angle, okay, in the corner here, okay. Because when we draw pictures, it's hard, just from a picture, it's hard to determine whether something's a right angle or not because it's subjective. But if we use a symbol, then we know that even if we hand draw one and it doesn't quite look square, if we use a square symbol in here, we know it's depicted as a square angle. So this is a 90-degree angle. This angle, the vertex of this angle is B, right here. The vertex is at B. And of course, the half line or the ray would be BC, and we have another ray here, BA. Okay? And we always name starting at the end point going to the arrow. Okay, so if this is a point, let's say C, right? So we would name that BC, ray BC. Now the angle, we would say angle B, or we could name this angle as ABC, or we could name it CBA, angle. So the way we denote an angle is by using this symbol. So we could call this angle B. For part A, we could call that angle B, or we could call angle ABC, or we could call it angle CBA. The main thing is we want the vertex to be in the middle. Okay, we always start at one point and go this way, or we can name it by the vertex because it doesn't matter where these are. Right? We could switch these. Okay, we could switch the B, A, and the C, and it represents the same angle. So that's why a lot of times we'll just say angle B, and that we'll know what it means. But that's the naming structure for angles. This here is a straight angle, right? So we denote it with 180 degrees, right? So it's a straight angle. This is an acute angle, right? You can see that it's less than 90 degrees. Okay, so this is acute, but it's more than 0, right? So you've got this angle arrow, right? So we know that it's more than 0, but less than 90. Oh, excuse me. And then we've got this here, which is an obtuse. So this is an obtuse angle, and this would be angle G. So see how it's just the vertex, nothing else is labeled, so this is angle G. And it's an obtuse angle because it's obviously larger than 90 degrees, okay? And that's it. Have a great day.